Welcome to Practical AI for SMBs. This final week focuses on how AI will impact small and medium businesses in the near future. We'll explore strategies to prepare for these changes, ensuring your business remains competitive and innovative. The future of AI is accelerating rapidly. As the backbone of modern business, AI is set to transform how we work, hire, serve customers, and compete. Embracing AI will be crucial for staying ahead in the evolving market landscape. Workflows will become increasingly autonomous. From email management to marketing campaigns, AI-driven automation will enable SMBs to operate with leaner teams, enhancing efficiency and reducing operational costs. Every business will become data-driven. AI will unlock actionable insights from your existing data, allowing you to forecast demand, spot trends, and make smarter decisions without the need for a dedicated data scientist. Your team will work alongside AI, not be replaced by it. Tools like Copilot and Gemini will enhance productivity, but training is key. Ensuring your staff is equipped to leverage these tools will maximize their potential. Customers will expect AI-level service. Fast, personalized responses will become the norm, with AI chatbots and assistants playing a crucial role in meeting these expectations and enhancing customer satisfaction. What should you do now? Start by auditing your processes, trying simple AI tools, and investing in clean data. Train your team and focus on security to ensure a smooth transition into an AI-enhanced business environment. Here's how we can help. We help identify opportunities where AI can improve efficiencies. We help you choose the right AI tools. We can help upskill your teams and build AI-ready workflows. Our comprehensive approach ensures your business is prepared for the AI-driven future. Thank you for completing our AI course for SMBs. We hope you found it informative. We'll be sending out a short form soon so you can share your feedback on the course and let us know what AI topics you'd like to learn more about. For AI consulting, visit our website or contact us directly. Our team is ready to assist you in navigating the complexities of AI integration, ensuring your business thrives in the digital age.